Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes, welcome to another XlucknoskillX tutorials. Today we are learning how to make a set of tools using MCP with modloader. Firstly, you must have already set up MCP, and if you haven't, go watch the tutorial here, and if you have, follow along. Next we're going to open up a text editor of your choice. I'm using Edit Rocket, which is a free program. And we're going to make a new file and save it as mod underscore and then what you want to call your mod. I'm going to call mine tools for obvious reasons, and I'm going to make sure that it's saved in MCP src Minecraft net Minecraft src. Next, in the description of this video there will be a link to a file called modloader syntax. It will look just like this. We're going to copy everything inside of it and paste it into our mod underscore tools class. Paste. Next we're going to replace these little stars or asterisks or whatever you want to call them with what this file is called, excluding the .java. Next we're going to go to the beginning of line 6, hit enter twice and then go back up twice and type public static final and then your item, and then we're going to type what item we're going to make. So we're going to do a sword first, equals new item sword, opening bracket 130 because this is the data value, and then we're going to write comma space enum tool material, and make sure that is a capital E, capital T, and capital M, and then we're going to type after the enum tool material dot and then your material's name, but they have to be in capital letters, I think. So we're going to type John, and we're going to make a material later on. Okay, next we're going to put a closing bracket, and then we're going to type dot set item name, opening closing bracket. We're going to give it a name, what's it called? It's John Sword, I guess. Okay, and to finish it off, a semicolon at the end. Now, next we're going to copy this, and we're going to make a full set of tools, as I said. Okay, and we're going to copy and paste this 4 more times. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we're going to replace these words with the swords with each letter. Sword. Spade, and spade is a shovel for those who don't know. Axe and hoe. And we're going to do item pickaxe. Spade. Axe. And hoe. Then we're going to change the data values for each of them, because they can't all be the same. 3 and 4. Okay, and then we're going to change the name as well. Next we're going to go to line 14 and type modloader. Modloader dot add name. And we're going to give them all names, so we're going to type sword, comma space, and then quotation marks, and then their names. So John Sword. Okay, semicolon at the end, and yes, we're going to copy and paste this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we're going to hit enter from our last semicolon and type, we're now going to give them the textures, so sword, if I can spell it right, oh my, blah. Okay, dot icon index equals modloader dot add override lowercase a capital O, 2 brackets, 2 quotation marks, and in those quotation marks we're going to type /GUI/items .png, and then we're going to go comma space and then our directory for our pictures file, so just sword, I guess, .png. I'll show you my textures later. And yes, we are going to copy this and paste it 4 more times. Okay, next we're going to give them recipes. So we type modloader.add recipe, opening closing bracket, and then we're going to type new item stack, opening bracket, and then one of their names. So let's do sword first, like always, comma space 1, which means how many we're going to get from it, and then comma space new object square, which is an opening and closing square bracket, and then an opening brace, go down, put a closing bracket and a semicolon, go back up and write your recipe. I explain it better in this tool, but I'm going to explain it here as well because it is a bit tricky. Here you have to put spaces. This is a must, or you will not get the correct recipe you want. So for a sword, we go space space because we want the sword to be in the middle. Okay, so let's put 1 there and comma 2 more, one here. So far there's going to be one in the middle on the top row and 1 in the middle of the second row. And yes, we're going to have 1 more in the we're also going to have 1 in the third row in the middle. Blah. Comma space character value of hash is block.dirt. Let's copy and paste this 4 more times. Okay, and replace this name, pickaxe, spade, axe, hoe, pickaxe, so it says 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, yes. For the spade, we're gonna change this and give it another one, so. Okay, and axe, so it's, and finally the hoe. Okay, now we are done, so let's minimize this, open up MCP, we're going to put our pictures in here. So I have this tools folder, and as you can see, I am a great artist, yes. So let's copy all of these, yep, and we're going to paste put them in the directory MCP, bin, and Minecraft. Paste. Okay, now we are going to open up terminal and type cd space, drag in our MCP folder, hit enter and type bash recompile.sh. That's gonna load. And now I just have to wait. Oh, 7 errors. Okay. Reason I got all these errors because I put up here, this has to be item pickaxe. Also, I spelled pickaxe wrong here. There we go, spade, blah. And we also have to make the material. Okay, sorry guys. So what we have to do now is go to enum tool material, enum tool material.java. So here it is, open it up. Scroll down, oh, not scroll down, where you should find gold. And we're going to delete that semicolon on the end, put a comma, hit enter, and then we're going to type what the name we put here. Okay, and then we're going to go opening bracket, and then we're going to do quotation marks, and then we're going to do the same thing, comma space. And now here is string s, and it doesn't say string s, but I know what it is. This is it's sort of like the value of your material. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So ours is obviously 6. No, I'm joking, it's 5, comma space. And now the second integer, which is I equals, oh, yeah, that's string I, whoops, that's int I. Okay, and comma space, and then J, which is harvest level, and we'll just put it the same as emerald, which is diamond, so 3, comma space, next is K, so max uses. Okay, comma space. Next one is float f. F is equal to efficiency on a proper material. So let's put 7f, comma space, and the last one is L, which is damage versus entity, and we're just going to put 2 for now. We're going to close it off with a closing bracket and a semicolon. Now when we recompile now, we should get no errors. Yep, there we go, no errors. Bash start client.sh, hit enter. Minecraft will load. Like this. Creative. Cool. Okay, let's get ourselves a crafting table. Put this full screen. Okay, need lots of dirt and planks. Okay, place our crafting table, and let's first make our sword. So 1, 2, 3, bam, we get John's sword. Put this in the inventory. Okay, next is the pickaxe, which is like that. John pickaxe. Next is the shovel, which I believe has a plank here. Nope, other way around. Okay, John's shovel, and then the next one is John axe, which is like that. John axe. And last but not least, the hoe. Boop. Okay. So we have our tools here. Let's try them out. This is, no, not chickens. Okay, let's try them out. Let's look for a worthy opponent. Dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun da 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 da. Pig. Okay. Come here, piggy. Okay. So I should want. Oh nope. Okay, it's a 2-shot kill. Okay. And this is the pickaxe, which is instant. Okay, this should be the shovel. I think all my tools are instant. This is the axe. Whee! And this is the hoe. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you liked this tutorial. And if you didn't, dislike. And if you have any errors, please send them to me. I'm more than happy to look at them / fix them for you. And happy modding!